Hello, hi, and welcome to this vlog. This is gonna be some kind of, I guess, MTL Diary and week in the life kind of vlog. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty simple one, but sharing some addresses that I like, showing you a little bit what I'm doing this week. Nothing interesting, but maybe if you keep watching, there's gonna be some funny moments. So yeah, let's go. Gosh, the light is quite something today in the apartment. So I'm back from bar class, and you guys, I have a hard time holding the camera right now. It was so freaking hard, but I'm so glad that I got to like get out of my comfort zone and try something new. So now I've showered and I'm curling my hair with a no heat method. You can find it on my IG, and I'm gonna get to eat lunch, and I'm really excited because for lunch is what I ate last night, which was a sushi bake. It's a trend that I saw on TikTok. You might have seen it. It's so good, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. I'm super happy I get to eat it again. I'm gonna watch Netflix a little and then back to work because tonight we have an event with Grey Goose. So I will bring you along, obviously, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Got back from my nail appointment at Manuel, which I go now for almost the past 2 years, or I do it at home usually with a GSK. So the color I did is Studio 54. I love it. It's like a white sparkly, like, I don't know if you can see it properly, but I love it so much. It fits with my rings so good. Anyway, I'm gonna head out soon to go to a little girl night with Caro and Audrey. We're gonna go to one of my favorite spots in the city, which is Barbara Vin. It's just so nice. Staff is amazing. Food is mwah. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time. And that's it. Oh, and PS, this sweater, whenever I wear it on Instagram, people are asking about where it comes from, so I'm gonna link it in the description box. I'll file it under rainbow sweater. Okay? See you soon for real. Okay. Good morning, guys. So yesterday I received my Dynamite order, so I'm excited to show you what I got. I've been a little bit crazy and bought some little comfy cozy things. I'm gonna show you. This set is one of them, so let's do it. So first off is this three-piece that I'm already in love with. I've been eyeing it for a while now, and I just said, you know what, let's just get it. It's the type of thing that I know I'll be wearing around all winter inside the apartment. It feels elevated but cozy, so that's why I'm really happy I did get it. So yeah, that was the first set. I'm gonna obviously link every piece in the description box, and just for transparency, those are pieces that I've bought, but the links in the description box are affiliate links. So yeah, let's continue. Following up, we have this little type of like kind of polo crop that you can like tie at the front like this. I really love, like, it's relaxed but at the same time, so I don't know, it felt kind of elevated to me at the same time that it's really relaxed. And if you follow me on Instagram for a little while, you know I'm obsessed with Dynamite Pants cut, so this one is no exception. I think this one is called the Lila, I don't know. Anyway, it's gonna be in the description box. So these are obviously no exception. I really love the fit. All these sit well on the hips, and I'm just in love lately with a good like work pants, should I say. So I really love them. Always do a little great bomb Dynamite, you know, you just know what to do with pants. So yeah, love it. Anyways, next up, last piece is this really cute black skirt. I've been on the hunt for a perfect little black skirt for a little while now. Really love it. It's like kind of, I don't know, chic, but like it can be both worn like casual or chic, which is something that I love. Versatile pieces. So yeah, I was really on the lookout so I could wear those boots like all winter long. So yeah, love it. So I hope you like this little haul. Now I'm gonna go get ready because I have campaigns to shoot today. Let's go. So Audrey picked me up. We're gonna go shoot outside in the cold.
Okay, there's some information you need to know is because it's very cold now in Montreal. There's snow.
There's
already.
It's ice outside. It's not even snow, it's ice.
We're November 29th. We're not done though.
No, we have like 6 months to go. Yes, okay, let's go. Good morning. So I woke up with a really festive vibe this morning, and I was like, I really want to get the holiday decoration box out and install everything and put a little bit of magic into the apartment. So we're gonna do that, but after my coffee first. Okay.
Chapeau de Billy.
Ici. Voilà. Hey. My love, I'm so sorry, but you look so cute. Please don't look that cute, and maybe I wouldn't do those things. Oh my god. Are you hiding from me, babe? I'm so sorry. I'm absolutely sorry. Ça va prendre le café ou faire le thé?
Oui.
Ça va déjeuner?
Oui.
Ok. C'est tout. Mission décoration de Noël. Fait. Ça va petit déjeuner ou faire le thé, qui est mon café de quartier préféré. So we're going.
Ah bah ça y est, c'est l'hiver là. Ça y est, c'est l'hiver.
C'est l'hiver! Et mais voilà, pourquoi? Pourquoi?
Parce que...
Hi. The rest of the day, which is, it's a Sunday, you know, but freelance sometime, most of the time, works on a weekend, especially during this this holiday season and pre-holiday season. Mostly it's the busiest time of the year for actually what I do, the industry that I'm in. So I actually shot 2 campaigns today after the Ferlucci with Alexis. So I drink to that. Yeah, let me drink. Yeah, actually I will drink. Well, I will drink. Oh god. Hey, you bought a Top burn. Okay. Really good one. So yeah, so now I'm gonna reheat dinner because I actually shot that food for one of the collaboration I shot today. So I'm just gonna reheat it and we're gonna eat it cozy up on the couch. That's it. That's gonna be the end of the week. Even though it was really busy today, I'm like so excited for you guys to see what I've shot for the clients, and it's gonna be on my feed on Instagram. That's it. That's all I have to say, I guess. Cheers.